So here's a video showing you how to connect a video I've taken of an experiment with some data I've collected using Vernier Graphical Analysis. So you should have these files in front of you. If you open the cart crash data, um, this data was collected in dataset 3. So if I come over here and it says dataset 3, I want to rename dataset 3 to be the name of the video itself. So underscore 121805.mp4. That way I know which experiment relates to which video. You need to have Graphical Analysis Pro for this to work, and you'll see that if you don't have Pro, that'll have a shield here, and you need to click the shield and type in the code that you've got. To get the video component, you need to come over here and click the video from this icon here and click Import Video. Then connect the video by clicking Open, and it'll bring it in, and you can see that it's a smart cart crashing into a wall and then bouncing back, but you'll notice that the video is not connected to my data. And so to make that work, I have to click this little replay button up here, and then if I click play, you see my data disappears and then it kind of appears in live time, and so this is going one direction, colliding, coming back, but I want that to connect to my video, and so I have to click this icon up in the top corner, and then I want to sync my data to my video, and so it won't automatically have these times in there, and so we'll need to try and make those times ourselves. And so you'll see nothing's happening, and so during this time I've clicked play, but then I have to push record on my camera, and so there's a 2-second delay or so, and then you see that it starts moving forwards, and so I want to map it to that time there. And so I'm trying to figure out when that's happening, and so I'm changing these frame by frame kind of buttons, so that's getting my graph to exactly the right place, and then I'm changing these buttons until the moment it gets hit, so it goes down and hit and moves, and so that's it there. And so I'm syncing the video time of 0.55 with this time here of 2.7. And now if I click play, you'll see that it is actually interacting, and as I move this graph, you can see that it is actually changing in live time, which is really helpful for me understanding what's happening. And so I see it bounces and comes back, and so if I wanted to see what happened at that particular time, I can see that it was moving backwards, stops, goes forward. So that's how you connect video to your experiment. You can get rid of that, and then this just works like it does. But if you change data set, then it has to be for one particular data set. You can then go File, Save, and save it as a particular file.